Good afternoon from Pier 33 Marina in St. Joseph, Michigan. Tide Curran here, and I'd like to take you on a quick walk through one of my favorite boats, the Chaparral 347 SSX. We've got this beautiful 2019 Chaparral ready for you in the new alloy gray hull. We've got a gorgeous blue hull stripe to go with it. This boat is luxury, it's power, and it's great accessories and technology. So I want to take just a couple of minutes and show you through that. Justin's going to follow me right up into the boat. Come on ahead. Before we get all the way to the top of the stairs, twin Merc Cruiser Bravo 3 drives. These are the 6.2 liter engines, 350 horsepower apiece, digital throttle and shift, and in a few moments I'm going to show you the Axios joystick control. As I said, fantastic technology that you'll really enjoy. Come on aboard. As you join us on top, you're going to have a full look at the length of this boat and all of the seating and comfort that's built into it. Right underneath your camera angle now, Justin's going to show you the extended sun lounge that's here at the swim deck. I'm going to press a button so that sun lounge can move back up into position, and then we'll be able to show you the rest of the boat. So come on aboard, Justin. So again, the 347 SSX. Luxury and performance and technology all built through the boat. Tremendous deep bow seat. And let's start at the bow, Justin. Come on up with the camera. Show our viewers what we've got up front. We've got wraparound seating. We've also got room for a bow table. A lot of depth to the seating here. Once you've got passengers that are nestled into place, even for full-size adults, you've got enough comfort so that you've got padding all the way around. There's room to fit a snack table that comes with the boat that's built into this corner. More wraparound seating in the bow. Up front, you'll enjoy having a Lumar windlass. We've also got a beautiful polished stainless steel anchor that goes with this particular 347. Back to cockpit seating. Let me just get ahead of you and you can spin around and show everybody from here. We've got double wide seating at the helm as well as at the companion side. Both of these are bolster style seats. You can flip it down when it's going to be used as a seat base, but if you like to stand and ride, that's ideal, especially for rough water conditions or when you just want to get above the windshield and enjoy the fresh air. Further aft in the cockpit, L-shaped seating that goes around, storage underneath, engine access under here. There's a cavernous storage area underneath my feet that will house batteries, switches, all sorts of gear that you might need to stow on board with you. Also off to the side here, we've got the cockpit wet bar. And if you see here, there's a sink up top, drink holders, trash bin, and we ordered this boat with a dual voltage refrigerator that will run off of shore power or off of battery power. Just I'm going to ask you to reposition again. Just step over here into the corner. That'll give us a great angle on the overhead sunroof. So up top here, Chaparral actually has designed and implemented a retractable sunroof for this model. Right now I've got the shades in place on the forward section. And we'll separate these. The shades retract. The screen moves into the other side. And then this overhead will open for us. Get our batteries activated so we can do that. If you see on the back half of the sunroof here, I put the screening in place. So when you want, you can have fresh air and screened air for that area of the boat. So let's get the sunroof open. Isn't that nice? Get all the fresh air you want. At the same time, we've also got full enclosures for this boat, so it can be a pretty good early weather boat or early season weather boat as well as a fall boat. And if you run into some rough weather, just put up the isinglass, the aft curtain, close that sunroof, and you'll be protected from the elements in here now. Here at the helm is where our real technology is built in. First off, you've got the simplicity of a pair of touchscreen SIMRAD displays. These are going to give you not only all of your navigation features in terms of your GPS and plotter, your sounder, those are all built in. You can also add a plug-and-play radar system to that. On the other side, we've actually got a program to display all of your engine functions. That'll allow you to monitor speed, temperature, oil pressure, trim, fuel consumption, and every other measurement for your engines imaginable, and those will appear on these two screens. Even better than that, with this Mercury system, you've got digital throttle and shift. So we're not with cables anymore. This is all by wires back to the drives. On top of that, we now also have the Axios Premier joystick system. If you haven't had an opportunity to operate a joystick controlled boat yet, it is absolutely the best way to maneuver with twin engines. You're going to be able to be precise, you're going to be able to be comfortable, you're going to be able to make the boat do things that you can't do yourself at the wheel or by shifting engines the old-fashioned way. So in close quarters maneuvering, this joystick that you're looking at right down here, by rocking this joystick into different positions, you're going to be able to maneuver the boat in the direction you want to go. You're going to be able to rotate the boat by rotating the joystick. You've got Skyhook built into this Axios Premier system. Skyhook is going to allow you at the touch of the button to allow the boat to hold its position for you, whether you're waiting for the gas dock, waiting for the train bridge to open, just waiting your turn in line, or watching a beautiful air show fly overhead. Press the button, the boat's going to stay in its position. That's a fantastic feature of this technology. Also built into that, an autopilot system that will keep you on a course heading or follow a pre-programmed route through your GPS. Fantastic thing to have. It's going to make your boating lifestyle a lot easier, a lot more enjoyable. And this is the technology not only of the present, but of the future. So make sure that if you're choosing a dual engine boat today of any brand, that it's equipped with a joystick system like this. It's really something that a modern boater is going to want to have as part of their accessories. Again, throughout the Chaparral, if you've gotten a good look here, given the lighting that we've got and the time that we have to keep you online here with us, we're not going to do a cabin tour at the moment. But down below, you'll see a beautiful berth, or beautiful settee that folds out for an overnighting berth for two. There's a private head compartment built in there as well. Galley equipped with microwave. There's also built-in television, DVD player, which will also allow game console even to plug in, so you can use that area for a variety of entertainment, and it is very private to the point that you barely know it's there. Thanks a lot for taking a tour aboard the Chaparral 347 SSX. You can see more information online at pier33.com or visit Pier 33 in St. Joseph, Michigan. Thanks a lot for watching.